Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Sibo.
Sure, Steve, kunjani?
Mnandi bicho.
Sharp bro, man.
Sure.
Yeah, rest in peace kumakhala njalo mfethu.
Yeah,
Yeah, Khotman lishile. Yeah, uNkulunkulu amukele. Yabona, yeah, ifamily yakhe iduduzeke.
Sure.
Yeah, eshikemela afanda bro wami mina. Eshitliza mebhlungu, ne?
Ngani.
Sesiphiwe njengama comrade.
Yeah.
Thina si ama fans we Pirates. Sesingena ema groundini. You understand?
Yeah.
Ayikho igoli eyenzeka namhlanje. Siphume ne clean sheet. Ne? Usibisi sigibele ekhanda lakhe.
Sure.
Usibisi usithathela amakhapha engakhe.
Apaya. That's true, man. Apaya.
Usithathela amakhapha engakhe.
Apaya thina.
La muntu usifele lo. Wakwasivuzela igazi eMoses Mabhida.
Yakhumbula.
Wakwalimala lo muntu wakhitshwa nge-stretcher wakhitshwela ngaphandle.
For a team.
Today thina siyambhuka la. Ama player wasicela last. Sibabhuka uMuremi. Bacela bathi sicela lento leniyiyekeleni because you guys are killing amajita.
Sure.
Abantu laba nabo as human beings. We supposed to stand behind them. Mekumele ngabe makenze uMsibisi ayenza imistake simshayele izandla instead of ukuthi thina sibehave njengama comrade or abantu basemaraba stad. So Orlando Arena la. You understand? Ibhola according to me siyalazi. Uyangithola sinama coach la abantu ababukela idisk engisobheva kanje. Then we expect ama player amaphela igame bazekini bazoyenzani
Center line.
bazoyenzani mfethu senibabhukile and each and every time manje and labantu laba bebazela abanayiwengu la mina bengihleli khona bekunawuthe 1 Richards Bay gcwele thina. Why can't we support the guys? Sesenza ngathi bekuyidraw 2-2 uyabona ngabe siphumela nge-2-2 bengizo understand or sidliwe
Mara
siyawina sithola penalty. We still complaining. Then expect these players to win the league. Sundowns inama players angazi singamla. Nama players you require go pick up. Those people they can't talk. They play la Leon the 100 million. Always singamla. Then they senza la kayazi team. You understand? Usibisi uwela eKZN. Samthatha kuyi captain samletha la Orlando Pirates. Maqeda la sizomnyela. Bafetani meni kancane anike nicabangeni manenza izinto nazi ukuthi ama player lawa abantwana babantu laba bafethu. These boys they are giving us their all. They've already given us 2.5 cups
this season.
At this season bathathe MTN 8 bathathe iBlack Label bathatha la lenye yombombayi cup le. You understand program leyo madlali le bafaka ama play 12. You understand team. So thina manje sizoba rasela bafethu. Bafetani meni kancane mina kancane nika ngicabangeni usibisi samthatha kuyi-captain la uphuma khona eGoldos Arrows. You understand? Samletha la simnika ibhande for a reason. Kone reason e-change room lo muntu nase-training field ma i-coacher ibheke ama-player we-11 ezowafaka on today's game. Uyazi ukuthi lo muntu lo uzongidlalela i-role eso. Ngicela ama iwengu sike sicabanga FNB ingayenzeka lento le ema comrade. Yezwa ba change ama player bafaka ama player bakhipha ama player. Not la. Singazobheva kanje. Ama player wethu asiwahloniphe bafowethu. Siba protect. Kusasela ama game amaningi for us to start behaving like this. If best losile Stivo. Engosho ngithi ku right. I was going to say to you Stivo, it's fine. Clean sheet.
No.
Clean sheet. Umbuthuma is trying his utmost best as a striker. Mombeka uyakwazi ukumaka ama-player a-disturb play ebazama ukuyicala emuva. You understand what I'm saying? Usibisi now is doing the same thing. Adlale emuva. Wenza imistake. Azange bakore. Usiyama uyenza every day before and 5 yaziyo wena udlala ibhola engayenza ama-mistake. Happy fullback waziyo engayenza ama-mistake. So wena manje ufuna ama-player wakho kuba kanjani badlala ngama-battery. Bafuna ngiyaceliwe engazime kancane. Abo-Chiva Viro baphelelwa ama-career ngento le yama-comrades bekwenza lento lezi. Ngiyacela bafethu amajita mawakhuthale awish bayibone le video. Amajita akhuthale adlale sinabo thina abanye bethu thina siyazi lento le yabona lento le umuntu ongazi ibhola ungazenza so iplayer lakho ulibhuwe mfethu Sithibo athi zami sero akuthamba but akunandaba kuzolwa.
Hayi bangithi mente